Hello students, welcome to our channel Funny Bees, where we will learn with fun. Today we will learn how to draw standing line. But before that, I will share a short story with you all. Now, as you can see, there is a big tree with some apples. Oh, what happened to the fruits? Where they have gone? Look, they all are in the ground. But how they fell down? Let's see. They fall with straight line. That is called standing line. How can we draw standing line? Let's do it. To draw standing line, we will go top to bottom with straight line, like this. 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 Okay? Now we will do the same in our notebook. This is a 4-line notebook, but before doing anything, I would like to tell you the name of each zone. This is upper zone, and this one is middle zone, and this one is called lower zone. Okay students, now we will draw standing line here. First, try to connect these 3 dots with straight lines, like this. Like this. After that, we will do the same with 2 dots only, like this. And finally, we do not need the dots anymore. We can do it with the lines only, like this. So students, please do practice on regular basis. And please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon if you like the video, and don't forget to like, share and comment. It will really help us to grow. We put so much effort in our each video. So students, see you on our next video. Till then, tata, and thank you very much for watching.